Hey guys, it's me, the co-producer of this wonderful channel. Today we have a GoPro Hero 11, and I'm going to tell you why we have a GoPro Hero 11. We have an upcoming trip across the USA with Amtrak. I'm not going to tell you where, but there's going to be a video coming out, and you guys are going to like it. You know why? Because we'll be filming from the GoPro. So let's get to unboxing this. Straight off the bat, pretty sleek paper, I guess. It's tan. So let's dig in. Okay. I like how the way, okay. This is the first time anyone's seeing it. Okay. I'm bad at opening things. So, dang. Oh, I have to open it from here too. Okay, and then just push. That there is the box. This is what's in the box, what we're gonna get. So let's open it up, I guess. Yeah. So that's the box. It's black. GoPro Hero 11. Let's open it. Get to the good stuff. This is the GoPro. I guess you open it from the bottom. Okay, let's go. Oh God. War crimes. What? Oh yeah, this, okay. This is totally going well. Totally going well, guys. Going well. We're always looking on the bright side. Life's amazing. Not ripping this box. Yeah, I'm confused. God, bro. Okay. That was savage. So when you open the box, there's gonna be a black case. Says GoPro on it. Yeah. Okay, says GoPro on it. It's pretty thick. That's my hand compared to my hand. Pretty thick. So let's unzip it now. So when you open it, we come here. This looks like the SD card. You don't want to lose that. Some manuals. This is to charge the GoPro. You will get, ooh, we need scissors. Okay, wait. You can just take this out. This is to mount the GoPro. We're gonna put that to the side, all this stuff. This is, I'm assuming, part to mount the GoPro. Oh, don't lose that, that's not good. Again, more parts. Okay, we have some 3M stuff going on. This is the sticky part. Don't take that out of context. Some batteries, precisely 2 of them. Let's get that out of there. And last but not least, the actual GoPro itself. It's wrapped in some white paper. Peel. Peel that off of the actual GoPro lens. And that, oh, that's not going well. And that off of the GoPro screen. The front screen. And that itself is the GoPro. Yeah, so this is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Down here is some stuff to mount it, I'm assuming. In here, I think, is where the battery goes. And power button, SD would go in there. So yeah, that concludes the GoPro Hero 11 unboxing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We're gonna be filming with this, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.